Hello, I'm Chris Rose with Allen Datagraph Systems. I am here in our Derry, New Hampshire manufacturing facility, and I would like to introduce you to the IMPAXX Engraver, new from Allen Datagraph Systems and available now. You can see that we have this etcher mounted vertically. We have a simulated stone we've created here for display purposes, and something that we hope you'll find unique and useful about the IMPAXX is the ability to mount it and use it vertically. Not only in your shop, but also this is a portable unit. You can take this to the cemetery or a job site and attach it to a standing stone and etch it in place. That's perfect for applying images to stones that have been in cemeteries and been set for years, and the family would like to add an image to that. It's also very convenient in your shop. Where your stones are already standing, why lay them down to etch them? You can mount this directly to it, save floor space, and make it very easy on yourself. Now, of course, if horizontal etching is best for your needs, it is also able to be used horizontal. It is mounted with ratchet straps, which you'll see later. There are 4 points of contact on each side of the etcher. It's just a simple metal loop, and you can attach a ratchet strap to that, wrap it around your stone, attach it to the other side. There's a layer of cork between the steel frame and the stone to prevent scratching of your stone. There are cork covered feet, top and bottom, on both rails as well, to prevent any damage to your stone. Now, where you'll see these red knobs on each side, these rails are adjustable in till you reach this point on each side, so that you can accommodate different widths of stone as well. So you can accommodate different heights and shapes of stone with the various mounting points on each side, and different widths of stone with the adjustable rails here on the side. There are 2 handles for holding, carrying, mounting the IMPAXX etcher into place. And the overall dimensions of this are 45 inches by 40 inches, and about 16 inches deep. It weighs 85 pounds, and the engravable area is 24 inches by 38 inches. So a nice large engraving area for you there. And let's see. Very simple control panel, power on, power off, arrows for up, down, left, and right, and a selection switch for either a vertical or horizontal use. The power supply is over here. Both the connection of USB and Ethernet port and your power cable connect in 2 ports on this side of the etcher. I want to show you how easy this is to move around and to place on the stone vertically. I'm going to bring in Mark to help me with that. It does weigh 85 pounds. One person can move it. With an assistant, it's very, very easy. So we're going to show you the 2-person method here today. First thing you want to do is power it off. Unplug your USB or Ethernet cable from your computer. Unplug your power cable. Now, it's mounted with simple ratchet straps, so we'll loosen those. Take care to support the unit when you loosen those ratchet straps. It may not be level on your surface or on the ground. You don't want it to tip over. So just as you loosen those ratchet straps, just keep that supported. To remove the ratchet straps, just grab the handle and one other point in the back here, and there you go. It's that easy. And it is fairly easy for one person as well. All right, so you've arrived at your site, you've unloaded it from the truck. Here you are, there's your stone. Exactly the opposite of what we did before. Just pick it up, place it on your stone, take care, wind it up. You also want to be mindful that your stylus is right here, your etching and stylus. It's a diamond tipped or a tungsten carbide tip. It does have some bumpers there on it, but be mindful of that as you're moving the unit around. If you do need to adjust these side rails to meet the stone more flush, you can do that very simply. You just loosen the red knobs, take a little bit of that tension off of there, and move them as you need to, in or out. You do want to make sure that you can reach the rings with the ratchet strap, so get them as close to the edge of that stone as you can. And both sides move, this one as far as this rail, this one as far as that rail, giving you 14 inches or so minimum width there of that stone. There you go. Then you want to take care again, keep it supported as you reattach your ratchet straps for your next stone. Just loop that through. Pull your ratchet strap tight. Ratchet that down there. You're good and snug. Place another one near the bottom. If your stone is varying height or different shape, again, you do have 4 points of contact on each side where you can cross those straps as you need to keep that snug against the stone. Thanks, Mark. There you go. This is where you need it to be to get started with your job. Run your power cord either from your generator or from your 12-volt source, your USB cable or your Ethernet cable under here also, and you're ready to go.